Alam mo yung feeling na nasa 30s or 40s ka na? Tapos hindi na lang food ang cravings mo? Minsan ang cravings natin ay isang mas comfortable na bahay. Reclining chair para makapag-relax, bagong sofa, mas magandang bed, or dining set na pang family bonding. Tapos madali ka nang mabudol kapag narinig mo yung up to 85% off on selected items dahil nangihinayang ka sa laki ng discounts na makukuha mo. Plus mag-avail ka pa ng SMAC card para makakuha ka din ng extra 10% off from August 13 to 16. Kaya kabalen, if you're planning to upgrade your home, ngayon na ang perfect time dahil naka 4-day sale ngayon ang Our Home SM City, Pampanga. Kung naghanap kayo ng bagong furniture, mattress, or home essentials, definitely worth checking out ang mga naka-sale nila. Dito sa Our Home, complete na ang choices mo from sofas and living room furniture, perfect para mas maging cozy ang bahay, hanggang dining tables and chairs para sa family meals and gatherings. May iba't ibang home essentials din and pieces na pwedeng pang-upgrade ng bawat corner ng bahay. May nakita nga din akong naka-sale nila for Christmas decoration. Kung medyo marami kayong gustong i-check out, no worries. Pwede kayo mag-installment na 0% interest for up to 24 months on participating major credit cards. Kaya mas flexible ang payment options mo. Plus, pwede din kayong mag-home credit na up to 12 months installment naman. Kaya kung matagal mo nang gustong mag-renovate, mag-upgrade, or simply magdagdag ng bagong furniture sa bahay, this is your sign. Visit Our Home at ground level of SM City, Pampanga and take advantage of their 4-day sale happening until August 16. And take note, may chance ka pang manalo ng Suzuki Fronx GLX 80 Hybrid.